today I'm gonna be playing with kinetic sand. So guys, you know what's kinetic sand?
What's kinetic sand, Heidi?
It is like kinetic sand is not making it dirty. It doesn't make your hands dirty, and it never makes the table dirty. But
Nice.
this one makes it dirty, cause like the pink one makes it dirty on our hands.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So let's get open.
So what is this? Kinetic sand?
Yeah.
You can make ice cream?
Yeah, treats.
Nice.
We can put it
This
wherever
looks
you
so
want.
much fun.
Look at the back. So
So
there's
yeah,
a cup
kinetic
right
sand, ice cream treats,
there. And
you can
fake
make it.
ice cream.
sandbox, play space included. Let's see it. Squeezable sand you can put down. 6 ice cream tools included. Never dries out. Nice.
So guys, let's get opening. Come on.
So open it, Heidi. So what's in there?
It's
Sand.
It never dries out. And there's a stick. And there's some more.
This is to make the ice cream.
Yeah. And we can take a scoop out. And there's a straw and a spoon. See right here. And like there's a fake cup
Nice.
of ice cream. Is that cool? Yeah. And
Open it up,
so-
Heidi. Let's see.
Okay guys, we got it all set up. See the Play-Doh, see the molds. So let's get playing.
So what are you gonna do now?
We're gonna take this cube.
I think you have to squish it more, Heidi, to make it softer. Yeah.
Guys, squish it.
Make it extra soft, and then you can make ice cream.
I think that's enough. Yeah. Okay, so let's get a cube. And then take this.
So now you're putting the ice cream in there?
Yep. It's actually not real ice cream. It's
No.
kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand. But it looks like ice cream.
Yeah, I wish it was.
You like ice cream?
Yeah, strawberry ice
What's your
cream.
favorite ice cream, Heidi?
Strawberry.
Oh yeah?
But I can't eat strawberries because that makes me itch.
No. Strawberries is so yummy.
I think that's enough. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a straw.
I think you have to make the top mold, right? With the yellow top. No, put sand in the yellow top and then put it on top. Yeah. And then put it in there. Uh-huh.
Squish it.
Yeah, squish it.
This is fun, guys. Try it at your house if you have it. It's so much fun.
It looks
You
so
know
much
it's
fun.
so much fun. We have it, so if you have it, try it.
Put more in there, Heidi.
Yeah, I'm trying this. Squish it.
Let me see. Whoa, almost.
Okay, maybe
Try it
I should
again.
Try again.
Try again.
Maybe I just need a little bit more.
Put a little more.
I think this should help it.
Yeah. Wow. That's so cool.
So guys, I'm so
It
glad.
looks so yummy, Heidi.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat this.
Let's see.
It's melting! Oh no!
Nice.
It's melting. I didn't eat it.
Eat it, Heidi. Before it melts. This looks like real ice cream. This is so cool.
Yeah, so guys, no.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Yeah, put it.
So guys, now we're gonna not try this snack.
Now you can make a cone here in this one.
Now we are
With
now
this, with the scoop.
with this. I think now I'm gonna press it in.
What you do, fill up the cone first, and then with the scoop, you put 2 scoops on top.
One.
Fill it up, fill it up.
And two.
Now put more scoops. Just like they do at the ice cream shop, right?
They put a lot of
No.
scoops.
Put a lot in the scoop, Heidi.
And now
Fill it up. Fill this one up.
And now get this.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Squish it more and more.
And then pop it in.
Wow, that's
It's
so
not
cool.
melting anymore.
Let's see it. Pick it up. Wow, this is so cool, Heidi. Wow. Nice. Mmm, looks delicious.
No, my ice cream melted.
Uh-oh.
Now guys, now we're gonna do one of these molds.
Okay.
Get those. So I got this. Oh my god, this is a lovely Kinetic sand, guys.
Oh.
I wish you should try it. I wish you could come to my house and try it, guys. Please do it.
Nice. Heidi, what do you made? Ice cream?
Yep, who would like some?
Looks delicious.
Who would like some ice cream?
Me? Can I have one?
Sure. Which one would you like? The spoon one? Or
Anyone.
this one? The
I'll
drink.
take the drink one.
Okay, here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. Wow, this looks so cool.
I want to eat this one.
Have some, guys. Tuk, 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 tuk. Cool, Heidi. Thank you, Heidi, for sharing this.
I'm almost done my ice cream.
So cool, Heidi. Okay, Heidi, say bye to everyone.
Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe down below. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Bye, Heidi. Bye,
Yummy
guys.
drink.
Mm.
Ah.
Bye, Heidi.